ABRSM Grade 6 Mazurka in G minor by Fryderyk Chopin. Very specifically, bars 13 through 16 to show the fingerings and the rhythms for each hand individually, as well as how the hands fit together, especially for the big fat chord that happens at the end of bar 14 if you have really small hands or very short stubby fingers, much like mine. Also, a very slow tempo for bars 21 through 24 to show the specific fingerings you would use for that line. So let's take a look at bars 13 through 16 in the right hand alone. I count and we play together. Ready? 1 and 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Now for the left hand by itself. 1 and 2, 3. Ready, here I go. Rest, chord, chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that doesn't mean a whole lot until you get the hands together. So let's take a look at how the hands are going to fit together. And yes, I am doing pedaling. So I count from bars 13 through 16. 1 and 2, 3. Ready, here we go. Let's take a look at that one more time. Ready, here we go. Oops. Right, teacher's not supposed to make mistakes, but I do sometimes. The idea though with that rolled chord, you want that thumb on the E flat the same time you land the 4 in the right hand on the A. So when you do the rolled chord, it's going to sound like this. Notice those notes are what come at the same time. So let's try and do that again together. Ready, here we go. 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3. One more time, but I won't count this time. I'll count us in together. Ready, here we go. Master it that way at the very slow speed before you try to put the tempo up. And again, always use your metronome, pardon me, when you're trying to build the tempo. Now let's look at the fingering that happens in the right hand for bars 21 through 24. This pattern is going to be the same in every single bar. The fingering pattern is exactly the same, just like the rhythm is the same. For bars 21, 23, and bars 22 and 24, rhythm is the same. The idea is the crotchets with the stems down is always going to be with that thumb. The thumb is just inching down because the thumb is in alignment with what the left hand is doing. If you watch this and you listen to how the harmonies go, oops, sorry, be natural, so really that thumb in the right hand that makes the two-part writing is going to be in alignment with the exact crotchet notes. So it's like an extension of the chord that the left hand is playing, whether it's a harmonic interval or a chord. You end up being a whole either 4-note chord or a 3-note chord. My bad. E flat. And why because all 4 fingers in your right hand are required to play the triplets and the pairs of quavers. There's no other way to get around it. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to do the top part with the quavers and the crotchet stems pointing up, the upper part of the 2-part writing. So we've got 4, 5, 4, 3, and then stretch the 2 to C, 2, 3, and again 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2, then 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2. It's the same pattern every time. So let's do that again. 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2 to B flat, 4 on D flat, 4, 5, 4, 3, stretch the 2 to A flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 on the B flat, 2 on the G flat. Now I'm going to add the right thumb to go with that. The thumb crotchet, stems pointing down. I'm going to go really slow, no tempo, no rhythm, just what comes next. So you got to hold on to that crotchet when you're doing the triplet, and then the thumb moves down. Keep the thumb there, keep the thumb on that B flat, and then 4, 5, 4, move the thumb down, 3, 2, thumb goes on G natural, 4 on D flat, 4, 5, 4, 3, keep that thumb on the G flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, notice it's F flat and B flat, F flat and G flat. Now I'm going to do it in the right timing. Strawberry pie, apple, strawberry pie, go. Strawberry pie, apple, strawberry pie, pie. Strawberry pie, apple, strawberry pie, pie. One more time just like that, and then we'll add the left hand to it. Strawberry pie, go. Strawberry pie, apple, strawberry pie, pie. Strawberry pie, apple, strawberry pie, pie. Now I'll add the left hand. We're not worried about the speed. We're just going to see what comes with what and what comes next. No rhythm, no tempo. So the hands together like this. Not right. Let's try that again. Teacher got it wrong. All right, here we go again. It's a G octave with a D in the middle. Strawberry, and then move that left hand, move the thumb in the right, pie, keep that thumb on B flat, stepping up, 2, 3, and then move the left hand down. So notice what the left hand's doing, that 2, 5, coming up to the 3, 5, 3, 1, sorry, 2, 5, coming up to the 1, 3. Strawberry, pie, and then keep that thumb right hand. Slide the thumb down now, right hand. E flat, my bad. I think I'm going to start that line over again. So together, step right again. Notice that thumb stays for the 2-part writing. There it is. And then step, move the left, keep that thumb on the A flat, 1 and 4 right, move the left hand down, 2, 5, E flat, D flat, so you have 1 and 3 in both hands, 1 and 2 right hand, move the left, Now, I'm going to do it in somewhat of an even speed, even tempo. Strawberry pie, apple. Strawberry pie, apple. Strawberry pie, apple. Strawberry pie, pie. Strawberry pie, apple. Strawberry pie, pie. I'll count us off, but I won't speak the rhythm. Strawberry pie, apple. F natural, sorry. It's even hard for me as the piano teacher. Let's try it again. Now, I'm not going to be so concerned about the fingering in the left hand. If you do whatever is comfortable for you in your left hand, that's fine. But really focus on the consistency of the fingering in the right hand. One more time. Ready, here we go, and. I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand all those letter names, all those finger numbers, and all those rhythms in both of those lines. Good luck in learning this piece. It's a beautiful piece. Play it with passion. Play it with feeling. Play it from your heart.